Baby loves me, yeah, yeah, she does. What's happening, guys? What's happening? My name is not Alex. What's happening? HP 20, what? What? HP 20 something, model number, what? Model number 20-2200A. The fault was no power, nothing at all. Check the voltage on the external power supply. Okay, substituted external power supply, still nothing. First clue was the power supply was arcing and obviously shutting down under protection. You could hear it arcing. Okay, stripped it down, plugged it into bench power supply, went straight into constant voltage mode, drawing the full 3 amps. Something was shorting out. If something's shorting out, it is getting hot. So, finger, found a SMD cap, Boonies. Didn't know the value, haven't got the circuit diagram. It was across the main 19 volt rail, so I assumed it was decoupling or whatever. I guessed and replaced it with a 47 volt 10 mic cap, which you can see there. And all done.